Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the battery on your X3. The mechanical part is easy, but the diagnostics part requires a scan tool or ISTA. Let's get into it. Remove the floor panel. And screw the negative terminal. Remove the vent hose. Now remove the positive terminal. Use a screwdriver to unclip the whole assembly. And screw additional nut. Disconnect electric plugs and move the whole assembly aside. Looks like there are more hidden bolts, so the storage panel should also go out. Unscrew two bolts holding the top bracket. Pry out the cable from the bracket to be able to move it aside. Now unscrew the last bolt, remove the old battery and replace it with the new one. Now you need to connect your scan tool and register battery replacement, otherwise you can have electrical gremlins later on. I will use ISTA for this job. Follow these steps. Check what battery capacity is programmed into your vehicle. Mine says 105 ampere hours. Same battery capacity should be installed into your vehicle. But if you like to install another capacity battery, then you have to select Enter Battery Exchange Higher Lower Capacity, and the car will reprogram the capacity figures. If the programmed capacity will not match the new battery's capacity, then you can have electrical gremlins. Battery exchange was successful. As per manual, after the battery registration you have to leave the car alone for at least 3 hours, so that the new state of charge should be determined by the IBS sensor and vehicle's electronics. That's it, and thanks for watching.